Hello friends, welcome to my channel Archie Chowdhury. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fine on this day. Today is Ash Wednesday. I hope you are having a good time and reciting your Bible and going through all the things which the Lord wants us to do. And it's a good day today. It's been very cold and today also it's so cold, but we have to go through and waiting for warmer temperatures. And how is everybody doing? How is everybody planning to do on a Ash Wednesday? So friends, today I'm in my kitchen and I'll be sharing a nice egg recipe. Let's get started. Try to make some eggs because I have some eggs over here. I have limited things in the fridge. I need to do some Instacart. So here I have some eggs. So I have the Eggland's best eggs over here. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think I'll boil everything. All the 6. Just on it. And when you're boiling the eggs, no friends, you should always add some salt. Adding some salt. With salt, the eggs come out very well. Some egg gravy also. By the time the eggs boil, we'll just do some egg masala also over here. And over here I've dropped some oil. I'll just on it. Mint seeds over here. These are really chopped and I've kept the things ready so that I don't waste much time in cutting and chopping. So here I've taken 1 onion, medium sized. I've cut some tomatoes over here. These are 2 tomatoes, 1 tomato over here, 1 tomato over here, and this is a garlic cube and ginger cube. So I'll add this with tomatoes. Here I'm sauteing it. It's still not that hot, so I can still hold this. Oh, something has come in onto my finger, I think. So this is God's way of saying Ash Wednesday. So here I'm ready with the cut tomatoes. I'm adding the cut tomatoes because onions got sauteed well. So I've added the tomatoes first. And garlic cube. Now I'm putting even the cilantro. So everything is frozen and I just took it out so that I could ease out my work. And I'll be adding some spices now. Teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Little turmeric. Hot now, and the tomatoes will release its own water, and I'll try to dry it off, and we'll make the tomatoes go softer and mushier. So the tomatoes have become softer and crushier. They have become mushy and nice. So now we'll add the water according to our consistency. I've already filled some water over here. I'm pouring like 3 cups. I poured water over here now. You can add more water if you think you need more water. I think this much is more than enough for my family. Almost boiled and cooked well. So now when the eggs are done, I'll just crack the eggs and peel them and we'll add them. And now I'm doing some rice over here and I'll be removing the starch. I'm just boiling some water for the rice. Wash the rice. I've soaked it for 10 minutes. And I'll put it once the water starts boiling. Been boiled over here. Now I'm closing it off. It's all done. We'll just peel it once the water becomes little less hot and boiling point is done. We'll peel when it is water is normal. I have kept the rice for soaking for 10 minutes. I'm just adding it all over here. Then I'll just remove its water and remove all the starch, and that kind of eating the rice to boil, and then we'll strain out its water. It should be cooked like 90%. So here it's cooked. Now I'll strain it. Straining it. We'll leave it like this for 2 minutes. So here the rice is getting drained out. and I'll just keep 2 or 3 drops inside the water so that the water will get cooked in its own heat. Some drops of water are getting settled down on the pan in which I cook the rice. Now I'll just pour all the rice and I'll cover it and keep it for 20 minutes and it will get cooked like fully 100%. So now it's 90% cooked and it is almost getting pressed with my nail. So now the rice is cooked. I'm just trying to shuffle it in the all the sides and boiled. I have peeled the eggs. Now I'm just dropping it here in the liquid, in the gravy. It smells so good, delicious. So it's all done. Looks so good with all the tomato soup and good for winter days. The tomato gravy, putting an egg on the top, smells so good. Yum. Have the first bite. We are in the neighborhood where some children made some snowmans. So this was my day today. All this I did today. I hope you liked my little recipes and all. So I hope you all liked it. And if you have liked it, like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye. Take care. Love you all.